Okay, so I have this compressor that I bought, I don't know, maybe about a year and a half ago. It's a Vevor. It's pretty good, actually. I got it for a decent price. I don't really use it. It's been sitting around, so I'm thinking about selling it. So I'm going to use this app. It's called SnapBGone. It's you snap a couple of photos of it, and it tells you what it is, the model number, and it looks at prices, all kinds of prices, asking prices and sold prices. It gives you an idea of what you can get for it if you're selling it, especially if you describe the condition. And it'll even write an ad for you if you decide to sell it. It actually tells you where to put it too. Yeah, so I'm going to snap a few pictures and see what kind of number it gives me for this, and take it from there. And I'll let you know when I get the numbers back. Okay, so I ran the app, the SnapBGone app. It did identify it, and knows the model and everything. It's amazing, actually, because I didn't remember what it was, but the label's down there anyway. But yeah, it told me brand new. These things sell for about 200 to 230, and used to like 110 to 140 or 150, somewhere like that. So it priced this one at around 153 used, and that sounds very reasonable considering. Yeah, I think I paid like 2 or 210 for it about a year or two ago, and so yeah, I'm real happy. The number's good, and the app worked. It identified the air compressor, and the ad is ready to go. I could just post it. This is great. All right, thumbs up for both. Okay, so here's another item which I'm probably going to get rid of. I bought this a long time ago. I bought it right after Sandy. Unfortunately, I didn't have it for Sandy, the storm. And I think I've used it once. It's just been sitting here. It actually works really well. I do start it from time to time, and I change the oil, and I do what I got to do, and it's really pretty good shape. So, but I think it's taking up space. You can see where it is, and I don't really use it. So this is another item I'm probably going to get rid of. So I'll use that app to see what I can get for it. So hang in there. Let's see what it says. All right, guys. So I used the SnapBGone app, and I'm actually quite surprised, shocked actually. It came back. It said like 410. The sweet spot they said is around 375 for these things, and the range is like. It had a whole bunch of comps from eBay, same one, same machine. It looked like it was like from 2.25 to 650. They're all over the place, but it looks like that mid to high 300s maybe the sweet spot for this. I'm not sure if I'm going to say 4 or 410, but it's definitely going. I mean, I had no idea this thing was actually worth that kind of money. It's just sitting there. It's actually in the way. So, yeah, SnapBGone's going to make me some money today. It is for sale. I'm in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. Anybody is interested, hit me up. Okay.